Well, good morning. It's Friday already. But I thought today we'd try and put together some of the things that we've been looking at this week. And so I'm using my little metronome. You may not have one, but you can just do a click yourself or tap your feet. And the idea is, this will be a disaster, I'm sure, but never mind. The idea is to do a bit of improvisation on a steady pulse. So including all the sort of noises, sounds, colours, different rhythms to play with. So here we go. Well, so you can see you can do anything you like, really. But the idea is to play. It's important to play. And it's also important to use your voice in a way that's completely free and that has no sort of specific targets or anything like that. It's just play. It's the sort of thing 2-year-olds, 3-year-olds do without even thinking about it. So you can have a little go at tapping your feet, clicking your fingers, and just making things up. It's okay. It's your imagination. See you tomorrow.